The day slowly comes to an end. Dinner is finished, and the house grows quiet. In the soft glow of the evening lights, a father gently reminds his son that it is time to sleep. But the boy isn't ready yet. His eyes are still full of energy, and his heart isn't ready to rest. The father smiles. He has heard this before. Every night feels the same to a child who doesn't want the day to end. The boy asks for just a few more minutes. The father hesitates, knowing how quickly minutes can grow longer. As they talk, something catches the boy's attention. On the bedside table lies an old book. It looks different from the others, worn by time, quiet, yet inviting. The boy reaches for it, curious. The father takes the book into his hands and pauses. He recognizes it. A familiar smile appears on his face. This is not just any book. It carries a story that has been told for generations. The boy settles into his bed, pulling the blanket close, his curiosity slowly turning into calm. The father sits beside him and opens the book. The room feels warmer now, quieter. This is a story worth beginning. And so, gently, the father prepares to tell the story of how everything began. In the beginning, there was nothing at all. No stars, no earth, no light, only deep silence and endless darkness. Then a gentle light appeared, spreading softly through the darkness and filling the emptiness with warmth and hope. God separated the light from the darkness, creating day and night and bringing order where there was none. God formed the sky, stretching it wide above the waters, creating space and calm between heaven and earth. The waters gathered together, and dry land rose up, forming seas, shores, and solid ground. The land began to grow green grass, covering hills and plains with fresh life and beauty. Flowers bloomed and trees grew tall, bearing fruit and filling the world with color and abundance. God placed the sun in the sky to shine during the day, giving warmth, light, and rhythm to the earth. God placed the moon and countless stars in the night sky, lighting the darkness with quiet beauty. The seas filled with living creatures, as fish of every kind swam freely through the waters. The sky came alive as birds took flight, soaring freely above the earth. Animals appeared on the land, big and small, moving, resting, and filling the world with life. God planted the Garden of Eden, a beautiful place filled with trees, rivers, and perfect peace. God created Eve from Adam, giving him a companion, and together they stood united in the garden. Adam named the animals as they came before him, showing care, order, and harmony with creation. Adam and Eve lived peacefully in the Garden of Eden, surrounded by beauty, where everything God made was very good. The father pauses and looks at his son, now fast asleep, his face calm and peaceful. A soft smile appears as he quietly closes the book, careful not to make a sound. He places the book on the bedside table beside the warm, glowing lamp. With a gentle touch, he turns off the light, and the room slowly falls into darkness. The father takes one last look, then quietly leaves the room, closing the door behind him as the night rests in silence.